In this video, I want to show you how you download your maps to your DJI RC so that you don't have to have this connected to the internet when you're out flying. So the DJI RC is a super useful tool, and for me, this is the main controller that I use when I'm out flying. Personally, I like the fact of not having to use my phone when I'm out flying my drone, and it's just an all-in-one unit. However, the only issue with this controller is that there's no maps built into it. So if you don't have a map downloaded, it's just a blank screen when you flip over to the maps in the lower left-hand corner. Now, this is fine for some situations, but depending on where you're at, it just becomes a super useful tool when you're flying your drone to be able to see exactly where you are on the earth, because on the map, you're gonna see things like roads, you'll see different features like water features, and it just makes it a lot easier to fly and know exactly where you're at all times. So to access your download maps feature, you have to go back to your main home screen, and at the bottom, there's gonna be the profile button. Now there's gonna be a button on the screen that says offline maps. And when you click on your offline maps, it's gonna show up with the world. You're gonna see everything. And you can see there's a little button at the bottom that says download. Well, unfortunately, you can't download the entire Earth and put it into your controller. What you need to do is start zooming into the area that you want to download, and you'll see this little white box pop up. The little white box is the area that you're gonna be able to download. And so you're gonna wanna zoom in close and find the exact area where you're gonna be flying and download that section. So if you need to download more area than what's in that box, you just need to move the map around and download multiple sections. Now, when you download a map, it's gonna pop up with the screen that asks you to put in a name. So just put in a reference name that you know exactly what the map is. So you can see that I put in SC Hills 2 because I've already downloaded a different version of the same area. Now, one thing to note, to be able to download a map, you're gonna need to have a micro SD card in the controller. Now, when we go back to the flight screen, you can see I have a shot here of me out on this hillside. You can see the map that you were downloaded in the lower left-hand corner. And let's expand this and make it bigger. So I'm gonna tap on it, and now you can see the area that I've downloaded. And you can see the road that I'm standing on where I'm filming from, and you can see some of the trails when I scroll over of the area that I'm at. And so now there's more indication of where my drone is in the sky when I'm out flying. And when I scroll out even further, you can see the neighborhood that's down over there, and then you can also see the reservoir, which is over that way. And so just by looking at this map, I have a much clearer indication of where my drone is in relation to all of these different features. Now, one thing to keep in mind, when you're using the download map feature, you can only see this 2D map. So you're not gonna be able to download the satellite map or use the mixed feature. So you'll only be able to see a standard map style when you download it to the controller. And you can download as many maps as you want. It just depends on how much memory you have on the micro SD card. So when we go back to our main home screen, you can see that each map is around 2 megabytes. So they're not very big when you download them onto the controller. Now, the last thing, when you're in this download section, you can go through and manage the different maps that you've downloaded. So the 3 dots on the right-hand side, if you press them, it's gonna pull up a menu that allows you to either delete the map or you can rename the map. So you could go through and clean up all the different maps that you've downloaded to your controller. Now next, make sure you check out this video right here, which goes through some different drone moves that's gonna help you get better shots when you're out flying. I'll see you over there.